Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect to JBL to iHeart radio via JBL Authentics 200. To connect to iHeart radio, download an app called JBL One from Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and then open the app. And after configuring your speaker, after connecting to it, you can click on it, click on in-app music, and then click on iHeart Radio to connect to iHeart Radio. And now go back and click on iHeart Radio, and you can sign up or log in. After that, you'll be able to play iHeart Radio. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.